Generate a random letter in Python. Is there a way to generate random letters in Python, like random.randint but for letters? The range functionality of random.randint would be nice, but having a generator that just outputs a random letter would be better than nothing.
Simple? String.ASCII_letters returns a string containing the lowercase and uppercase letters according to the current locale. Random.choice returns a single, random element from a sequence.
To generate y number of random characters.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.